And old man winter is coming around, but that don't bother me none. I'm not alarmed. I'll be sitting by a nice warm fire with you in my arms. That's the way I like to see the seasons change for you and me. Now that you're mine, I'll never let you go. You bring to mind the autumn colors. Now that you're mine, I'll have no other. Please keep me warm when the winter wind starts to blow. And every snowflake has its own design. That's the way it is with my girl. She's one of a kind. So when the nights get colder, we're frozen to the bone. We'll be wrapped up in a blanket, just you and I alone. Well, that's the way I like to see the seasons change for you and me. Now that you're mine, I'll never let you go. The freshness of a morning snowfall. Now that you're mine, I've got it all. I'll keep you warm when the winter wind starts to blow. Summer's coming, feel the southern breeze. Green is the color, baby birds in the trees. But I'm dreaming of winter and those nights at home, sitting warm by the fireplace, just you and I alone. That's the way I like to see the seasons change for you and me. Now that you're mine, I'll never let you go. All summer long, I keep on praying when summer's gone and the leaves are